Hello, everybody. So I belong to several Facebook groups that are specifically for real estate women or real estate moms. And one of the major concerns or advice that people are looking for is how to separate work and home life as being a self-employed female realtor. So the very first thing that I would suggest is creating a time block, especially if you work from home and you have little kids that are still at home during the day when you're working. Use the time blocking method to get all of your items done. I write down the 3 most important things that I need to do that day, and then I divide the rest of my to-do list into the red dot, green dot method, which I talked about in a previous video. Use the time blocking method to get your green dot stuff done. For example, if you have a 2-hour increment, maybe while your kids are sleeping or playing with toys or eating or nursing, you can get the green dot stuff done. If you have items that are the red dot stuff, then hire that out. You can go to freelancer.com or fiverr.com. You can hire a teenager. Don't worry, you'll definitely get your return on investment. Step 2, set up your office. Designate somewhere quiet where you can close the door and make sure that you are not interrupted. Do not have your cell phone on. Do not have social media on. Make sure that you create an automatic text message. If you need to have your phone on, then just don't answer it during your designated 1 to 2 hour work times. Have 3 autoresponder text messages that you can send to somebody when they call you. And then I can go ahead and help them once my time blocking to get my green dot items are finished. Step 3, be committed and accountable. After you set up your office and your hours of time blocking, you need to also be committed to that and accountable to your goals. Remember to take advantage of your accountability partner. And if you're working from home and not going to the office, you can work before your kids wake up or after your kids go to bed, depending on your personal time frame. Don't overwork yourself. You have options, including hiring out contractors and assistants to help you with what you want to accomplish. See you next time.